I'm Vee.
And this is Kinsley. And today we're getting my hair straightened.
Yes, so welcome to Victory Vibes, guys. In today's video, we're going to be trying out the TYMO Ring Straightening Comb.
Yeah, we had to start it over.
Yes, this is actually our second time filming the intro of this video. And also, I unboxed all of this already, but we can do it again. But this actually comes in a suede little carrier.
And then a little brush we just saw you.
Yes.
It's a little pretty brush.
And it came with some clips as well, and
then I picked these little clips.
Yes,
Mommy let me just pick them because
we went to Target to pick this up specifically.
And then Mommy let me pick these.
Yes, Kinsley got these little clips.
Right.
And ice cream, nice little summer clips, and she can probably wear some in her hair. Okay, guys, so me and Kinsley were getting over a sinus infection, so you may see a little snot. Back to the video. So if you're interested to see how this straightener works, it's actually not supposed to be hot too as you get to your roots, so I'm really excited about that.
So this is not hot.
Well, it's not like that. So if you want to see this process, come along for the ride, guys.
And then make sure you subscribe to my videos and Mommy's videos because you will pop it. And then
things I'm going to use this dye brush that I got from the Dollar Tree. To detangle her hair. It has water and conditioner in it, so that's what I'm going to do first. The shampoo that I'm going to use is this Maui.
And that's my favorite because she itches my hair, and that's my favorite part.
Yes, so this is the shampoo we're using. And this is going to be the deep conditioner. Well, the conditioner that we use. This is actually the Taraji P. Henson Hair TPH by Taraji P. Henson Make It Rain Hydrating Conditioner. I actually got it on sale because y'all know I love a sale. And then we're going to deep condition with the. I'm kind of up in the air for this on her hair, but this is the Aussie Moist, just to make sure that moisturizer is in it. And I use this naturally straight, beautiful textures. It looks a little a mess because I've had it for a while, but this helps a lot in straightening. When I do my silk presses, I use this, and you leave it on for 25 minutes and blow dry it into the hair. And yeah, so.
And then you have straightened my hair.
Yes, and then I'm going to.
Also, it's cold.
Goodness, y'all. Listen, this is a real household. We use our hair products, okay? So, yes, but that doesn't mean don't clean them. But this is also the brush that I'm going to be using to blow out the hair. And again, we did purchase a shampoo comb as well.
And make sure you get that subscribe up because you will pop it. Because make sure you subscribe for Mommy's videos because Mommy's videos are the best, and you will like them too.
Yeah.
And you have your TikToks, and you can make a video, your own video too.
Yes. And if you're wondering her curl pattern, what is her hair type? I think she is a 4A, 4B, or maybe some curls. Honestly, the front is kind of, I don't know. So I'm gonna say 4A, 4B. Hair, so let's get to it. Time to start washing. All right, so here I'm just sectioning Kinsley's hair off and getting the shampoo into her hair as well as the Taraji P. Henson Make It Rain conditioner, and just working it in using the dye brush first just to get it wet, and then I proceed to detangle because her hair was in twists. So yeah, just getting that product in, and this actually helps, especially putting in the shampoo because Kinsley does not like wash day. And I was the same way growing up. It was horrible, so I understand. So I try to find as many hacks as possible, so this has really helped, just detangling before and getting that shampoo in there already. And then all we have to do is just wash it out in the sink, and we did a leave-in conditioner today, which is the Naturally Straight. So yeah. And right here, I'm just showing how much shedding we got out of 2 weeks in twists, which I think this is pretty good. This is pretty good. And here I'm just showing Kinsley's hair blow dried straight. Well, I'm blow drying it. And here I'm just actually using the straightener. It absolutely glides through your hair. Like, it literally is like brushing your hair straight, and it's absolutely amazing. Kinsley was amazed with it, but the results were amazing, and we saw how curly Kinsley's hair is, so I love it. 10 out of 10. And these are the results of straightening her hair before I go in and clip the ends. But look at that. Amazing. And these are the final results. Look at this. Like, this is a really great product. And all I did was just go in with a traditional straightener and just bump her ends, you know. It's just a black mama thing to do. Go in, let me bump your ends a little bit, you know. But lucky for Kinsley, you know, she didn't turn into James Brown. And we all know we've been there. So. And this is her shaking her hair and all of that, and talking about how she can't wait to take her pictures. But by this time, she was kind of tired of me. So. Yeah, but 10 out of 10. But yes, this is before and this is after. So her hair kind of looks like a wig. It's so funny because people always ask me if my hair is a wig when it's straight, and her hair looks the same. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and remember that God sees you and He loves you. And have a good one. See you in the next one.